Here's a pair of Beats Solo 4 headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Hisense Smart 4K Google TV. First thing is go to your settings on your Hisense TV. You can go into settings from the remote if you have the settings button, the gear icon there. If not, we can simply just go to the home page, click on the home button, and then we can go to the gear icon on the TV. So we can go up and then move all the way over to the right. Right there, then you can see the gear icons highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. The left pane here, we're going to go all the way down to remotes and accessories. Right there, remotes and accessories. Click on OK on the remote. Now we're going to go down one to where it says pair accessory. Click on OK. Now searching for devices that are near me that is in pairing mode. So now we got to put these Solo 4s into pairing mode. Okay, let me just turn these off first. Okay, so we only have one button here. What we want to do is press and hold until the light here starts blinking white, okay? Which indicates that it's in pairing mode. So they're currently off. Here's the power button, ready, set, go. I'm gonna press and hold and wait till it starts blinking white, white, white. Okay, there we go, look, white, 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 white. Okay, now we just simply have to wait here. If it takes too long, sometimes you just have to rescan it again. Still in the pairing mode. Okay, I think this is taking a little, oh, there we go. Okay, it's Beats Solo 4 is there. If it takes too long, just click on the back and then pair accessory, rescan it again. Okay, anyway, I found it finally, Beats Solo 4 right there. Click on OK on the remote. It says pairing right there. I get a Bluetooth pairing request. Make sure pair is highlighted. Click on OK on the remote. It says connecting. Now it says paired. It said Beats Solo 4 is connected. And you can see down here under accessories, the Beats Solo 4, you can see it says connected right there. All right. Of course, when you're connected, you can increase and decrease volume as well. Increase, or you can decrease, okay? Now, if you had issues where you couldn't connect or you have pairing problems, you can always reset these, okay? If you need to reset these, look in the link below.